All right, we just got a day trade. Holy shit. All right, PLTR calls. Good morning, good morning. Oh my God. Right off the open here. I'm going to be getting in these PLTR $228, $81 calls. Okay. Whoa, that just came in fast. So let's pull these up. Currently going for 93 a contract. Okay. 268. Wow. All right. That was kind of out of nowhere. So I'm going to get my order on the book here. This spread is moving like crazy. Okay. Whoop. Okay, we've got my order here. I just got filled. Okay. So let me go ahead, write up this call out. I'm getting filled on some of the contracts at least. But let's get the algorithm in here. Okay, hang on. Long. Oh my God. 228, 930. Right off the open. 228. 930. 80.43 was a strike. Okay. Awesome. Let's send this out. Trading callouts. 2 days in a row, we've gotten a software order just right off the open. Crazy. Came in like just a second after I started the live stream, which is insane. So PLTR 228. I've got the $81 calls. Let's see. I'm up $9,000. I'm up 12 grand? Are you kidding me? What just happened? I'm up 12 grand. I haven't even looked at the trade. All right. Oh my God. Why does the market move so fast on Friday? That is crazy, guys. I'm trying to get my order filled to post the call out. Come on. I'm up 16,000 at 83. Come on. Okay, stop loss 77.16. Take profit 86.97. Okay, go. Post. All right, that is just that's a little chaotic there. Sorry about that, guys, but the trade is out. Currently up 14,000 in like 2 minutes. Up 16,000. Oh my God. We're going to do this. We'll pull this screen. We'll put this screen here. Okay, up 20,000. Up 24,000. Up 24 grand. Holy shit. Wow. Guys, this is insane. I'm up 25 grand. Who's in this with me? Oh my God. That is just crazy. I was not expecting that. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting this one. This take profit is sitting very, very far away. %8 for. All right, who's in with me? That order just came in so quick, and I tried to post it as fast as I could for you guys. Crazy. You got in? You guys are in? Everyone's in? Yeah, I mean, if this actually hit TP, I mean, my P&L is saying 142,000 on this trade, which just like doesn't make sense. So let's keep an eye on SPY. We did get a very hard bounce here on SPY. Okay. Now we're chopping around a bit. Okay. Look at that P&L fluctuating. I mean, these contracts are just, they're so volatile. I mean, that's the difference of $10,000 in like less than 2 seconds. And the candle, the wick hasn't even moved. Like on a 1 minute wick, we're moving, $10,000. So I said this yesterday, Friday, we're getting those 0 DTE contracts. They're going to be a lot more choppy, right? A lot more volatile. So that is something just to be aware of. And that increase in volatility. Obviously, this position was just up over 100%. Currently up 74%. How much are you guys up on this one with me? Just curious what you guys got filled at. What are those fills? What are those fills, guys? 90, 90, 160, 130, 140. Okay, so kind of across the board. Got a lot of variation there, I guess, based off of where you guys got in. Okay, so up over 100%. Okay, up 27,000. $115%. Up 28,000. What do you guys think? This is pretty insane, isn't it? My dad's texting me asking me for TP. Pretty funny. What's TP? Up $29,000. Actually insane, guys. Actually crazy. Yeah, so I mean, if the market did move up to TP right now, I'd make 141 grand, like right now. Now, because these are 0 DTE, as theta kicks in throughout the day, it wouldn't look like that at the end of today. Up $30,000, 129%. Okay. Wow. 32K. Wow. 33K, 150% on these contracts. Holy shit. This is insane. All right, I want you guys to comment if you're in this with me. I'm going to film a video here. All right, currently up $32,000 on the day. Ticker symbol PLTR now up 160%, 35,000. Who is in this with me, guys? Okay, W's in the chat if you're in this. Holy shit. So we moved about 3.5% off of our entry. Up 150%. Up 161%. 37 grand. Oh my God. Up 40,000. $170%. 180%. Woo! So the contracts are going for like 214 a contract. $210, which makes sense. Up 143%. Software is legit. Yes, it is. As you can see. Let's see, SPY. Back into the green on SPY. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, guys. Okay, there we go. It looks good. 82.44. Up 163%. Up 171%. Pretty crazy. Getting some red here. 23K. Look at that. The difference of a 1 minute candle. I don't think I've ever seen like a 1 minute candle. Well, I guess that much volatility behind a contract on a 1 minute candle. 100. So it'd be about 50% just based off of this 1 minute candle moving, which is absolutely insane. That's absolutely crazy. How much volume are behind these contracts? So we've got about 16,000 in volume behind these contracts, 273,000 in open interest. That's pretty unreal. Well, that's a good amount of, of people behind these trading these. $118%. I didn't even realize what ticker this was. PLTR. So funny. Uh-oh, we're getting some red. Only up 16,000 now. $14,000. Little pullback on SPY. That TP is just so far away. That's just such an aggressive TP. Jeez. A little pullback here. A little pullback on SPY too. This is a roller coaster. But it should be, well, I guess these are volatile contracts, regardless. Crazy. I was up almost 40 grand. Now I'm only up 13. Wow. You can't tell if you're in or not? That's funny. Oh boy. Imagine we go up 180% and then now we're back up to only 40%. That's some serious trust the process. Crazy. So the original buyer order was 132. So I got a pretty good fill. If you got anywhere around 132, I mean, I would say that's a good fill, right? Anywhere between whatever, 80 and 130, 135. So 150,000 behind that order, which means this person would have been up. Well, if they got a 132 fill, that's a little different. So, I mean, they were definitely up over 100%, right? If we were up 170, 180% with 82 fill or whatever I got, with the 83 fill, so they would have made just about 100 and 140, 150 grand. I would say they were probably up about 100%. If, you know, depending at one point, right, if they stayed in the trade, if they're still in, right, they're probably back down to being up like 25, 30%. It's kind of hard to say. But if you got anywhere between an 80 to a 150 fill, maybe 135, then I would say that's pretty decent. Like, you should be good right now. But you can obviously see like where that order tagged, where it came through. Long at 80.43. We did get filled like a couple wicks after. What are you guys all doing? Just sitting here staring at your screens. It's Friday. I thought yesterday was Friday. We had a good Q&A yesterday, so thank you to those of you that tuned in yesterday. I know there were some screen recording issues, but still a good Q&A overall. So SPY is sitting here up 0.28 on the day. We did just break highs on SPY. Back up 100%. Drinking coffee and chilling. Nice. I'm just curious, are you guys in this trade because of the volatility and because of how much these contracts are fluctuating? Do you notice that you're more either nervous or stressed out? Or does this trade scenario feel different than others because of the volatility and how much these contracts are moving? I think that's the best way I could put it. You prefer the volatility? Fair. Okay. Back at 119%, yeah. Yeah, now so we're back up 134%. I mean, that's a lot of fluctuation. That's a lot of volatility. If you are, a little stressed, a little nervous, I mean, this is not how a typical contract that we trade is going to move. These are outside of the norm, I would say. Just because, like I said, 0 DTE. Let's look at the spread. We've got a decent sized spread on these as well. So 181, 183, 182, 184. So $2 to $4 spread, a couple percent, right? Let's see what theta is behind my position. I mean, it's got to be pretty substantial. Yeah. 22,415. Let's look on here. So theta is, yeah, 120, which does make sense. All right, I'm going to interrupt here. Obviously, I did hop off of the live session every morning. Like you just saw, I'm trading live in front of everyone. Some of my trades take longer to play out. So this one did end up taking about another hour, hour 15 minutes to fully allow myself to lock in that profit. You can see here, I did got out with about half here at 315 per contract, sold off another half of what I still had for 195 a contract, and then shaved off the rest at 189. So just want to show you the $45,000 profit. Obviously a 200% return, all of the executions. And you could see here the charts running P&L. Over on my main channel, where I have about 150,000 subscribers, I did go into more detail documenting this trade, exactly what I could have done better to have been able to lock in, more than 45 grand. However, still a phenomenal day here. I also did post my broker statement over on my main channel if you want to go check that out, just at the Daily Traders. But that was the trade. At least you got to see the entry and then kind of the emotion as we saw, almost 40,000 into profit, back down to about 9,000 into profit. But all in all, was very happy with this trade. And if you're interested in following along, having access to trade live with me every single morning and copy my trades, the link is in the description below.